Today we're talking all about the Weber kettle, how to adjust temperature and maintain temperature. So let's dig in, let's get started. All right, when you're working your Weber kettle, you've got the top adjustment dial right here. You can obviously see we've got 4 holes and you dial it that way and that's gonna control the airflow out, right? Which you know more air in and more air out is going to make it much hotter. Now, let's dive down here. See this little handle right here? That handle adjusts, check it out inside. That's gonna adjust your bottom dampeners, which are gonna open and close on those 3 holes right there. So obviously, look at this, fully closed right now, not letting anything in, and then you can adjust it in micro adjustments. Like we say, the more airflow in through the bottom and out through the top, the hotter this is going to be and going to get for your cooking. Now, let's go ahead and fire it up. We're gonna add some charcoal in here. We're gonna show you how to adjust it and hold temp. All right, so we're gonna start with our chimney because I'll tell you what, I love how fast this gets the charcoal started. And we're gonna go about a half load today just because we're gonna show you how to get it started and adjust temp. So we'll get that poured in. And then as you can see right here on the bottom, I've got my tumbleweeds. I'm gonna do 2 today just to help speed that process up a little bit, but we'll get these guys started and we're in business here in a heartbeat. All right, now, we'll put that on top. We're gonna let this do its thing. Once these are glowing red and have started to ash over, we'll get these dumped in here. We'll show you the other process. When I'm doing that long or that low and slow cook, this is gonna be perfect because I've got briquettes that are lit, hot and ready to go, but then I've got briquettes that are not. So they're gonna slowly catch on, slowly burn, giving me even more sustained heat and more sustained temperatures. Now, like we showed you on the bottom, definitely get down there and do some adjusting on that bottom vent because that's gonna adjust the heat in. But now let's put the top on here and we'll start to watch this climb just a little bit. And like I said, I am gonna use this now to adjust and maintain and hold my temperature. All right, there you can see we're sitting right at 350. So let's come and check out back here. I have got the bottom for 350 degrees. I've got the bottom half open and I've got the top sitting right about there. Now, if I want to go hotter, I can open this up a little bit more and open the bottom a little bit more. Or if I want it cooler, guess what? Close the bottom more, close this a little bit more. But I like to use 350 for that reference point because now you know where you're at and you know the adjustments needed to go cooler or to go a little bit hotter. Well, now that you've mastered adjusting and maintaining temperature, it's time to dig into our first cook video where we make some amazing chicken skewers, and that video is coming up next.